I personally started about 40 years ago. About 7 years ago I decided that my body was wearing out, and that's when we got together and formed Sherston Sprouts, I suppose.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
We've got 5 different varieties. We have an early variety which we start harvesting in the beginning of November, and then we go right through to a late one that can be harvested in January, February time.
We start with Gladius and Helimus. We've got Petrus, and these are Helios, which are new ones we're just trying here.
We do on stalk and in net 9 kilo nets. We sell mainly down to 90% will go down to Bristol wholesale market, and we have a few local farm shops we supply as well.
The stalk job is developing all the time, but they're very bulky, and we find just logistically that it's local. We do pallet some down to the market, but you don't get the volume. You take a huge amount of volume out.
I like them fried with some butter and some chilli.
I'm a purist, I just like them on their own. And because we put them over the grader, we grade out little small sprouts, and that's what I eat. But they shouldn't be overboiled. 6 to 7 minutes, that's all, in boiling water.